Hello everyone. So today we are going to talk about JS debugging. Okay, so generally how to debug the client lib, and usually the JS part mainly I'm going to talk about. Okay, so suppose that we have written the client lib, we have created the client lib, and after that we have written the CSS and JS. Okay, suppose that if we got any problem and the functionality is not working as expected. Okay, so how to debug the JS and how to resolve if we are getting any issues. So that particular part we are going to talk about. So I'll just do it from the scratch so that if you face any JS issue, so you can directly go through this particular approach, and after that you will able to resolve your issues. Okay. So I already started AEM server here. So let me jump to the CRXT maybe. So here within the CRXT, this component and cliently we have already created in previous lecture. Okay. So what I'm going to do is that I have written one JS file, which is very simple. Okay. Here. So I just wanted to show you the basic approach, and rest of the things we can follow the same. Okay. What if we have any kind of couple of lines here, the same thing will follow there, and you guys need to proceed in this in the same way. Okay, so first of all, whatever we'll write here, we'll just save, click on save all, and after that I'll just refresh this page. Okay, so this is the component, header component basically, and here I have already applied the uh, JS. Okay, so this JS generally we are going to debug here. So this is the JS we can debug within the browser itself. Okay, and when we'll discuss the AEM backend, we'll tell you that also, if, whatever Java classes we are writing there, how to debug that. So for now, I'm just talking about the JS part here. First, we'll just inspect the page, and after that, we just need to go to sources. Okay, generally. So ideally, you will able to get the JS mainly and the component specific JS within the here. But suppose that if you are not able to find here, okay, so the alternative we can search here. Okay, so just we need to type here Control P. Okay, and after that we'll get this uh, pop up here. We can search. Suppose that our component name is here, everyone, which is a header component, right? So if you search there, search with the help of this name, we'll able to get our component specific JS. As you can see, we do have a couple of other JS also, right? So if I search based on .js, we'll able to get lot of external, and as well as the parent client lib JS, as well as the header component JS. Okay, so what I'll do directly here, I'll just search header component, and you guys not need to follow the same approach. So okay, so whatever component name you have, if you search based on that, you will able to get. So as you can see, I'm getting the CSS here, whatever CSS we have written there, as well as if I'll click on once again Control P and we'll type header component here, we'll able to get the JS as well. Okay, if I click on the JS, whatever code we have here, we are getting both the code. So this, okay, actually I'm not getting. Let me refresh once again. I think. And we'll see if we are getting the updated one or not. So I think whatever. So here we don't have. So let me try to write two lines here so that we can have we can debug in better way. So we'll just write console.log. I'll just add here entry. Okay. And after that, I'll just copy the same line here. I'll just paste it here. Okay. Let me rename this one. Will be exit. Okay. So this one I have done. Okay, if I'll save this one, if I go here and refresh the page, maybe I'll close this one, and after that, let me refresh this one. If I inspect the page again, and we'll able to see the updated code there. So we'll just go here and we'll see, we'll click on Control plus P, and after that we'll search header component. Okay, the same thing. So we'll able to get our component specific JS. If I click on that, we'll able to get the updated code. So what we need to do, suppose that by default, if we don't have, you will able to show in this way, okay, this way. So we just need to add the breakpoints. Okay, how we'll add? You just need to click on here. Okay, here we'll able to click on, and after that we'll able to add the breakpoint. We'll able to go through one by one all the things. Okay, and suppose that if I refresh the page again, the control will go here and we'll able to debug one by one all the things. Okay, let me try to do that. So every time whatever JS you have, you just need to check that JS, and it is part of here. Okay, content frame page, and after that the etc client lib, and after that you can see the same thing we are getting here as well. Okay, but if you are not able to find it here, so you can we can directly click on control P and we can able to search. Okay, both the way it is possible. You can go through via this one as well as we can directly search as well as. Okay, both the things are fine. And after that we just need to add the breakpoint here. Okay, so let me refresh the page. So when we are getting the control in our custom JS. Okay, so as you can see we are getting here. One thing we can do here, we do have a step over action. So when we click on that, it will go to next line. Okay, so if I click on this one using component, this particular line will able to see in the console. Okay, so as you can see custom component JS is ready. Okay, if I will proceed further here, the second it will print the second line here as well as. So will I go to header component, yes, is ready, it is printing. Okay, and same way we just need to proceed in this way. If we have any variable, we'll able to see the variable data. So many things we'll able to get. Exactly when we'll talk about AEM form, then we'll debug once again and we'll show you one by one all the things. Okay, but for now, for basic things, we just need to take care of this one, and you should able to aware of this one. If you are facing any JavaScript problem, we just need to follow the same approach to debug the code. Okay, and after that we just need to click on this one, and uh, uh, and after that we just need to move again there. Okay, it will redirect to once again document.ready method. So it is redirecting here, and we are getting a console.log entry. So we'll able to get one more data here, which is entry one. Okay, so which we are getting this one, and after that, if we try to move here, then we'll able to get the alert message here. Okay, which we are getting alert here, and after that, the console.log exit will get. Okay, so in this way, one by one, it will go and it will able to print, and whatever functionality we have written we'll able to debug. And if suppose that somewhere we are facing some problem, so according to that we need to change, and after that the functionality will work fine. Okay, and it will go here, and if I move further, so we'll able to get the exit as well as. Okay, so entry exit we'll able to get, and we are getting the alert message also. So this is the way we just need to debug the code. Okay, if we have any JavaScript created, so in the front end side how to debug. So I hope you understood this one. Let me know if you have any doubt in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.